Well, life is too short to live with any kind of health issues. So if you're living with numbness, tingling, weakness, or maybe you've noticed your body's not moving as smooth as it used to, you might want to listen up to what our next guest has to say. This is Dr. Michael Fitzmaurice. He is the CEO and founder of the Fitzmaurice Hand Institute, but he's also focused on research and development of products to help the body heal. And that's what we all like to hear, Dr. Fitzmaurice. Okay, first of all, tell us a little bit about you.
So I've been a hand surgeon focusing on nerve surgery since 2007, and also a member of the Anti-Aging Society, where we kind of focus on nutritional intervention that can help patients improve their outcomes.
Okay, so because of your background and what you've been doing, you've developed a product called NeuroGen, kind of out of necessity, right? For some of the hand surgeries that you've done in the past. Why?
Well, as a surgeon, you perform surgery, things like carpal tunnel syndrome, where you relieve the pressure, you can repair nerves, but there's this waiting game of the nerve has to function, it has to improve its function, and that can take a variable amount of time. Sometimes it's days, sometimes it's weeks. So through my research, I've uncovered many ingredients backed by hundreds of articles which can stimulate nerve function and decrease this process of waiting and speed up the recovery.
Okay, well, let's talk ingredients, because that's really important. You're telling me that you didn't skimp on the ingredient list, did you?
No, we have a comprehensive approach where it's 12 ingredients, whereas a lot of other products maybe have a couple of ingredients. And these are all at the therapeutic dose. So when you look at research, there's often a dosage that's required in order to get that effect. So we have these ingredients at that dose, whereas these other types of products, they often they're lacking in that full capability. And it's the type of ingredient too. So for example, B12, everybody's familiar with B12, but it comes in two different forms, like cyanocobalamin and methylcobalamin. So methylcobalamin is much more expensive, but that's the one that is used in the research. We use that, but a lot of other products kind of use the cheaper one just to say that they have B12.
So I want to be clear that, you know, this isn't for people who've just had surgery, right? This is for people who are experiencing, like, give me some symptoms. What are some of the issues that people are having that this will help with?
Yeah, any kind of nerve related, so numbness, weakness, pain, neuropathy is a good one. That's a big one. All of these can help improve these sorts of conditions. So any kind of nerve related. However, when we look at the mechanism of it, it improves the mitochondria, which is the portion of the cell that creates energy for the cell. So very important for a nerve, but mitochondrial dysfunction is common through a lot of other processes like arthritis, just general fatigue. So what we're noticing is patients with a lot of other conditions, such as arthritis, we even have Lyme disease, fibromyalgia patients, everybody's improving through this mechanism. And we noticed this when somebody would take it for a nerve related, and then notice that, oh, my joints are better, or I have less brain fog, I'm clear, I have more energy.
I'm thinking check.
Who doesn't want that?
Right, who doesn't want that? Wow, that's really interesting. I really appreciate that you're introducing this to our Sonoran Living viewers for the first time, and also bringing a special offer, okay? And when you order NeuroGen online, just visit this website. It's nerveexpert.com, and you use the promo code ABC15. You're going to get 20% off and free shipping. The Fitzmaurice Hand Institute has 2 locations, one in Scottsdale, one in Gilbert. One phone number, 480-719-4750, or visit the website to learn more, fitzhand.com.